Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. The easiest way to get done with it is because from here, once you open it for Netflix, just make sure that you go scroll down. And now from here, you're going to turn off your Wi-Fi fully. So make sure that you turn off your Wi-Fi. And then you're going to go to the right and look for airplane mode and make sure to turn this on. Once you turn on airplane mode and you turn off the Wi-Fi, then you're going to go to your settings right here. Now from your settings, you're going to check for Netflix. And once you go to Netflix, you can see the app info right here. And so from here, you're going to go to storage and cache. And then you're going to check that everything is in settle and then make sure that you just click on force stop. Once you click on force stop and you make sure that your Wi-Fi is off and airplane mode is on, what you have to do is then go back and open Netflix itself. And once you do that, then turn on Wi-Fi while it is on, while it is offline, and that should solve your problem once it refreshes. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.